your game?
First of all, I would like to thank the Lord Jesus Christ for this win, and the word is survival. So we try to approach this game with a sense of urgency, with a proper mindset, and that's our call. The defense. When we're backs against the wall, we're in the do or die situation, we go to our strength, which is our defense. So we keep on doing that. We keep on practicing everything that we want to clean up everything dun sa mga mistakes namin, sa mga kulang namin. The long break, yung 10 days break namin, magandang nangyari para sa amin yun because we clean up everything, lahat ng mga kulang namin, and we're so focused. And I want to give credit to the players because for the last 6 practices they are so focused. They have that proper mindset, and the goal is to survive. Now we will live another day, and we will try to prepare again for our next game.
Thank you so much, Coach Chico. Ian, tonight you went beyond your average 8 points in the last 10 games, 14 ang iyong natala. Ano ba yung pinahalagahan mo sa iyong laro ngayon na gusto mo rin ipagpatuloy in your last elimination round game against Meralco?
Para sa akin, nagpapasalamat muna ako kay Lord. Sinimulan ko lang to sa practice namin, and sinubukan ko lang na ibigay yung best ko every practice para madala ko sa game na to, kasi alam ko this game is not an easy game for us, kasi alam naman natin yung Eastern, pwede rin silang nananalo din sila, sa taas din sila. So nag-start na ako sa practice, and then good thing nadala ko dito sa laro, nagkaroon ako ng good start, and yun nga, hindi na kami pwedeng matalo sa game na to. So kung ano man yung mangyari dito, manalo-matalo, kailangan ibigay talaga namin yung effort, yung best namin, lahat kami. So good thing, kaming lahat nabigay namin yung gusto namin gawin ngayong gabi.
Right now, opening the floor to the media.
First, congratulations.
Thank you.
Your last game is Meralco on Friday, so mabigat pa rin sa inyo, but the way you played the last 2 games, siguro mataas ang confidence ko na you can put players out against Meralco na maganda rin niya makita.
Actually, I told to Bell before the game about having the confidence to go to the war, go to the battle, and with these guys, because with a complete lineup now, I think this is the first time that we're complete, we're all healthy. Because on the first 5 games, our import was injured. And then after that, Paul is in and out of the lineup. Then there's most of the players are may mga nararamdaman. We'll just try to mabalance lang yung sa practice and their injuries. But now I'm very confident that this is the first time. Sabi ko nga, first time namin at least ma-complete kami with a healthy lineup. And let's give a try. Sabi ko sa kanila, let's give our best effort on this game, and then no matter what happens, sabi nga ni Ian, at least nabigay namin. And now we have another chance. We need to prepare well on our last game, which is Meralco. We know na it's a war. It's a battle of defense. It's a defensive battle for us, and we will try to see first. We will try to take over, and then let's see kung ano yung pwede namin iba to sa game na yun.
Coach, before this game, Paul, inactivate nyo, you played 12 minutes. Kamusta ba siya? Is he healthy? Fully healthy na ba siya? Or hindi pa gaano?
Yeah, hindi pa naman siya 100%, but Paul is only practicing with us for the last 3 days, last 3 practices, and talaga we just try to watch his minutes muna. Hindi pa siguro namin pwedeng yung regular minutes niya, and we will try to ganun lang muna, and it's a big help in terms of directions and the composure of the team. So I mean, it's not about scoring, but how he handles yung dun sa court, yung offensive and defensive scheme namin.
Coach, last game si Peter Alfaro, ngayon si Jerome naman, another rookie. Ano masasabi mo na yung mga young players mo, isa sa mga sila yung nagre-respond din dito sa pressure?
Yeah, we need the young guys. We need the young guys to help these veterans because yun nga, it's a collective effort from everyone, and I told them it's not 1 or 2 or 3 players need to step up for this game, but everyone, including our utility guys. That's the sense of urgency of us. We need everyone from the team, from down to our utility to Ian and Ricardo, to have that proper mindset and sense of urgency.
Iyan, for 20 years, ang Magnolia laging, at this point, siguro naka-quarters na kayo or diba? Maaga kayo naka-quarter finals, but sa sitwasyon nyo, parang pwersato kayo parang kayo mentality tayo na agad eh. So paano nyo nililid yung sitwasyon nyo?
Siguro kailangan lang namin maging positive and kailangan lang namin maniwala sa isa't isa kasi nandito na to eh. Ito na yung sitwasyon namin. So, kailangan every game na lalaroin namin positive lang kami kasi kung iisipin lang namin kung lahat na nangyari, magmumukmuk kami. So, wala talaga mangyayari sa amin. So, ngayon may chance kami, nanalo kami. So, focus kami sa next game namin. At least kung manalo kami ulit doon, meron pa rin kami chance. So, ayun lang, maging positive lang kami, maniwala kami sa isa't isa. Kahit anong mangyari, at least sa dulo okay kami.
Diyan mo lang natapos sa ating posting.